What's up, man? How you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, we are Africans. When you say we are Africans, it doesn't matter whether you are in the African continent. As long as you're an African in diaspora, you're an African Caribbean, you're an African. Today we are celebrating a victory for Jamaica. Jamaica has emerged victorious. Today we are celebrating Jamaica. We are celebrating our Caribbean country, Jamaican. Now, why are we celebrating Jamaican? Ladies and gentlemen, let me just tell you what has happened. For a very long time, Jamaica has been negatively exposed by the international media. A lot of lies has been spread about this beautiful Caribbean country. You know, they've been talking about insecurity. They've been talking about hatred that Jamaican has towards Africans. So these things have been propagated for a very long time, until the whole world has believed. And many people have been put into a place that they fear, even traveling to this beautiful country. But we are seeing victory. We are now witnessing victory, and Jamaica has been victorious. Now, what is happening? At the moment, African queens, shout out to D Mwango. There's a lady known as D Mwango, a very brave and courageous TikToker from Kenya. And we've got Sean Arwa, very courageous YouTuber. Sorry, I said D Mwango is a TikToker. I mean a YouTuber. These are great YouTubers who have decided to go to Jamaica, who have decided to expose the truth. You know, they've decided to expose the international media that has been lying. When they talk about injustice, these women, these ladies have exposed how Jamaica has no injustice. They have exposed how Jamaica is peaceful. They have exposed how Jamaica is beautiful. And so we are celebrating this victory as an African. I'm celebrating Jamaican victory. For how long are we going to sit down and you see people lying? For how long? For how long? So right now, Africans are going to Jamaica and they're telling us the truth about Jamaica, the truth that has been hidden. You know, they've been lying to us about Kingston Town. They've been lying to us about Portland. They've been lying to us about Spanish Town. They've been lying to us about a lot of things in Jamaica. But now they're being exposed by D Mwango. They're being exposed by Sean Arwa. The international media is being exposed. The lies is being exposed. You know, the lies are being exposed. And now we are free to travel to Jamaica and enjoy the beautiful land. Our African brothers were taken to that land forcefully. They were evicted from Africa. They were taken to a foreign land. Now, after being taken there, these guys struggled and fought hard until they became independent, you know. And so this country has been prosperous. This country has been very beautiful. But the international media came with an agenda to finish this country, to cut it off from the brothers, you know, from the sisters, the African brothers and African sisters. And so they brought lies, you know, they brought some rumors. And we as Africans, for a very long time, we've been brainwashed that Jamaica is a country that we should not go to. But right now we are seeing the truth. And how are we seeing the truth? Our African ladies, Sean Arwa and D Mwango, are bringing to us the truth. They're shedding the light, and we can see them walking in Kingston Town. We can see them enjoying and interacting with the locals. And that is a victory that we as Africans are celebrating today. That is a victory that we as Africans are embracing. And as Africans, we have to embrace this victory, because to us it means a lot, man. It means a lot, because Jamaica being in the Caribbean, this is an African country that is famous. When I say African country, you know what I mean. These are our brothers. They were in Africa. So this is an African country without Africa. I mean, this is an African country outside Africa. And they've done a lot, man. They've done a lot. You know, if you look at Usain Bolt, if you look at Morgan Heritage, if you look at Bob Marley, if you look at Marcus Garvey, if you look at Martin Luther, because Martin Luther has also got roots from Jamaica. And so Jamaica, globally, it is shining. It is a bright star. And so then the international media cannot bring it down. They have tried for a very long time. And now Africans and Jamaicans are starting to come together. You know, I can see Jamaicans starting to come to Africans. I mean, to Africans, they are welcome. I can see Africans, they are going to Jamaica, you know, and they're telling us The truth, how it is and how it is supposed to be. Not the lies that the other media was trying to propagate. And today we are celebrating. We are victorious. And as a people, as an African, I am happy to see that there is a bond that used to be there. Because before, remember, we were bonded with the Jamaicans. These are our brothers that were taken, from us. And there've been a distance between us and them. Even them, they have been lied to. Don't go to Africa. Africa is not safe. Don't visit Africa. Africa, there is a lot of poverty. Don't go to Africa. Africa is a country of, it's a country full of diseases. Even some have not been told that Africa is a continent. And so even Jamaicans, for a very long time, they had this negative attitude towards Africa, but not all of them, but most of them, because they see it in the media. And now the media is being exposed. We can see Jamaicans coming to Africa and sharing to the whole world how Africa is peaceful, how Africa is prospering. And ladies and gentlemen, our African brothers, let us embrace this victory. Let us celebrate with the Jamaica, because right now we can see the truth. We can see how Jamaica is developed. We can see the ghettos of Jamaica is not what we are, they used to tell us. So today we are celebrating with our brothers, because Africans are now starting to fall in love again with Jamaica. Remember, the love was there since our childhood. We've been listening to reggae. We've been listening about Bob Marley. We've been listening about Marcus Garvey. We've been listening a lot about Jamaica. But we've not been told the real truth about our brothers. We've been lied to. And so we are celebrating that Africa is going to be one. Whether you are in Africa, whether you are in the Caribbean, whether you are in South America, whether you are in Middle East, but we are celebrating. So we are saying that a time has come for all of us to be one thing. And this victory that Jamaica is celebrating is a victory for Africa, because the truth has been exposed, and we are happy as a people. We are happy as a people. We are celebrating our brothers. And so my last warning, just to our fellow Africans, let us embrace this victory. Let us not try to, intimidate our fellow Africans and lie to them the way we've been lied to before. That, don't go to Jamaica. We're not going to buy that lie. We've reached a point whereby our Jamaican brothers, the Caribbean brothers, are coming back to Africa, because the truth has been revealed. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, this is African Awake. And what we're doing, we're trying to, to do what Marcus Garvey wanted, what our forefathers wanted, because Africa has to be one. Whether you are in which area, as long as you have an African blood, we welcome you. Victory to Jamaica. Viva Jamaica. Viva Jamaica.